What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be working on the K a little bit. I'm actually trying to get rid of all the downstart hardware that is on this motor because that thing is just becoming a hassle, and it already is. I started to work on it and then found out that I just don't have this because I use a lot of like these types of like sockets to take stuff out. Like right here on all this, like the transmission bolts and like stuff that's easy access is easy to get out with this. But with this one, I need like the regular Allen key, and I don't have one, so I have to go buy it. Now this is why I hate this type of hardware, especially in spots like this. You can see how cramped it is. Like I can't even fit like a regular socket in there, even right here. So right now I'm gonna take off this. I think now I'm not too smart about case. There's a tensioner. I'm gonna release the tension on this so I can pull the belt off and pull this off. Take off this one, at least with a socket. The ones I can use the regular sockets on them, I'll take them out. But like all these ones, I can't. I have to run to the store and pick them up. So I hate Allen keys, especially on stuff like this that you cannot get to. And all this, I probably want to take it all off too. So expect a sale, or expect me to be selling all these bolts if you guys want downstart hardware. I'm gonna keep these ones. These ones actually look pretty nice. But all this, gonna take this all off and everything. So it's first like I'm just taking off all the dress up hardware on this thing and replacing with OEM Honda bolt. This portion, how I know how to do this is because I helped my friend do his belt. So very simple. Slide it off, go, and then just remember how it goes. Like that. Now we're gonna pull this off. So it's like a couple 14s or 12s, I mean. And start pulling off the shitty downstart hardware that this later on becomes a hassle. And I think we're gonna be replacing this with a K20 one because we're not gonna be using this or this. Not too sure. I'll look into it. But it's the first for everything for me working on the K. So now I got the tension, that pulley off. Now I could gain access to that. This was the most annoying one that I couldn't get out because I had to take off all of this. But now I'm just gonna pull that out and we should be good to go on that. And probably replace these with regular 10 mils also. And got a lot more to take off. Learning as I go, so I know there's always people that always be like, yo, like this is how you do that, this is how you do that. Yes, I know, just you learn as you go. That is how you learn how to work your own car. What's going on, guys? So today is my day off. Thank you very much for 23,000 subscribers. And if you guys have noticed why I'm uploading I'm uploading a lot more sooner on, because damn, I'm talking too fast. I hate when I talk too fast and I can't even say my words. Bob life. I've been uploading a lot more now because I actually don't have a job anymore. I actually quit my daily job. It does not mean I am not looking for another job. I'm looking for another job. I'm not focusing all on YouTube. Like I make money off YouTube, but it's not like to the point where I'm not confident enough in living off of it. I'd rather be making money off YouTube, making money on side hustles, making money with another daytime job. And yeah, just rack up even harder. That's how you could afford all your parts. Don't rely on one source of income. I know, like, even if I was making like 6 figures a year, I'll still look for another way to make more money. There's no point of just not making the same exact money. You'd rather keep on growing your income to make more money. So we'll talk more about that in some other video or something. Anyways, check it out. So we picked up a Integra DC subframe from the homie Bobby. Thank you very much, Bobby. He had to sit in his backyard and he didn't need it, so gave it to us. Need some love. Probably gonna take a wire wheel to all the rust and remove all the rust, and then after that spray paint it all black. Don't need to get too fancy with it or make it look perfect because it is just a subframe. And I had a lot of people that actually hit me up on my Instagram DMs after I posted up a YouTube video, the K swap and what we needed, saying that they had subframes laying around. So thank you to everybody that actually hit me up, but some of you guys were too far and I didn't want to drive to like Arizona or anything and pick it up. So thank you very much, Bobby, and thank you to everybody that actually hit me up about those. He also did give us some LCAs. These are off of EG, but it doesn't have a spot for a sway bar, so we're probably not going to be using these. We're going to look for some other ones, or probably some integral ones that could allow you to run a front sway bar. So we could run a front sway bar on our brother's 4-door. And did pick up a set of CTR headlights. Well, I mean, another set of CTR headlights. These CTR headlights I have on my car, these are the 96, 98 spec of course. And I picked up another set right over here. So now I got 2 sets of CTR headlights, really clean. I took some, whoa, holy shit. Don't want it to fall. I took some McGuire's Ultimate Compound and buffed it out a little bit. It came out way better because the guy had them sitting in his shop for so long. And yeah, I bought them, and I bought them for really cheap. So yeah, thank you very much, dude. Like, I found an offer up. And also it does have the city light sockets on both of them. So thank you very much to the dude that sold them to me. These are a lot more harder to find now. 96 to 98 spec CTR headlights are a lot more hard to find compared to 99 2000. 99 2000 you can still buy brand new. 96, 98, I think like a year ago you could still buy them brand new, but I think there's no more of them. So I should have hopped on it a long time ago. But also when buying these JDM headlights, normally they have broken tabs, but on both the headlights on this car, I mean on these headlights, dude, there's no broken tabs. Like, I got for such a good price. Like, it's ridiculous. But they're just spare headlights. My brother might test fit on his car because he likes the CTR headlights. So yeah, thank you very much. Very happy about the CTR headlights. Like, it's crazy. Like, I've been trying to look for another clean set of headlights, but yeah, I got those for steal. You go on eBay, you can find someone with broken tabs for so much. But yeah, and I do have all the like the tires dismounted and stuff because I'm selling those tires. They're actually staggered, 2 550s, 190 550s. They're both already sold. These wheels are here. Believe it or not, I sold them. So yeah, and I still have this Yonaka muffler to put my my Osaka JDM muffler on there. But yeah, slowly still getting parts for this. I don't know what happened to the mounts. I thought I was getting the mounts in, but got parts in the email. I don't know what's going on with that. But also this car, I am making a review of that shifter, guys, so just wait on it. I just want to drive the car more and more with it so I can give you guys my the most honest review of that shifter, because that shifter is not cheap, and like the reverse lockout doesn't work. And I know I said reverse lockout in the previous video so many times. People were giving me shit for it, but it just happened in the video. So yeah, but I will have that video out. It's gonna be in-car review, and yeah, so just stay tuned for that, guys. Just wait. Don't buy the shifter yet because it's 550 bucks. Like, I want you guys to really think about it first before buying it, because there's cheaper alternatives and everything like that, you know?
Yeah, I'm checking. Yeah, I think it's from the motor, like under the jack. Kind of dug enough. Yeah. It wasn't there before. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's just crazy. That's like everywhere. Maybe something.
Damn, you didn't even like phase me.
You only took out the head though, right? Yeah.
He fixed his fender. You guys remember this? I'll put a throwback photo or video right here. Oh, your fender buckled.
They're worn out. Especially the harmonic dogs. Yeah, they do.
This dude actually did pick up new wheels. I don't know if he's gonna put it in a video, but
I think whatever mounts you put other than factory. What do you mean? OEM. And I have the OEM.
Asco images. Whoa, buddy, what are you doing?
That's one of the things I'm like, maybe the OEM.
You're using the fisheye?
Yeah, that's just weird. It's cool though.